People keep asking how I make my Zobo taste like pure wine and why my customer finish it in minutes. I'm about to share secrets on how I make this premium irresistible Zobo drink in this video. I'll be sharing secrets on how you can make your own Zobo to taste like wine. If you have this challenge of making slappy Zobo, if you have this challenge of making Zobo that turns to pink color instead of dark red color, because I see some Zobo drinks and they're having this shade of color that looks like it's pink or that light red. There is a way you will mix your Zobo drink and it will alter the color of the Zobo. I know most of you don't know it. So don't miss any part of this video. Sit down and relax. It's just 8 minutes video and watch throughout. You will see how I will review some secrets on why your Zobo is like that. Hello, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamy. Here I teach you everything you need to know about baking, your pastries, your cakes, and your drinks. So the number one is making Zobo drink. You must use pineapple. Yes, I said must because yeah, it has this deep flavor it gives to it. It gives it that fruity wine taste. Pineapple, like enough of it. So you're going to first of all extract your pineapple juice and set it aside. Then you proceed to washing your Zobo leaves. You're going to wash, pick the dirt in the Zobo leaf and wash it like 2-3 times, depends on how dirty it is. Then that's your pineapple that you've extracted the juice. Go ahead and put the back of the pineapple into your Zobo leaf that you have washed and put in a pot. Then put your ginger, crushed ginger. Don't put it whole like that. Use your mortar and pound it or your blender. Then you add in your cloves, and that's your pineapple that you extracted the juice. Add in that pineapple pulp, the remaining chaff from the extracted juice. Add it inside that still Zobo pot and turn it properly. Mix all of them up. Put water just a little bit above the Zobo drink, not too much water. Then secondly, do not overboil your Zobo leaves. 25 to 30 minutes is okay. Yes, 25 to 30 minutes is okay. Do not overboil it. No need for long boiling. And then you go ahead and extract. Then you're going to reboil this leaf. You cannot just throw it away. The Zobo leaves, the color is still very deep. So you need to put water and take it back to the fire to boil again for the second time and extract the water. Don't just boil your Zobo leaf once and go and throw it away. No, you're wasting that Zobo leaf. Oh. Boil it the second time again and still extract it and pour it inside before you can throw it away. You have to throw it away because there is now pineapple bark and pineapple chaff inside. So some persons say they used to take it back to the sun to dry. The day I heard it, I'm like, how possible is that? Will it ever dry again? Well, that's by the way. Now you're going to sieve your Zobo drink after boiling it. Sieve it with your normal sieve. Then get this tiny sieve we used to sieve flour and still sieve it again so that you can get the tiniest particles out of the Zobo drink. Today's virtual hug is for Latifat Funke from Kano State. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for dropping a comment on this video. Drop where you're watching from. Let me give you a virtual hug in my next video. Dearest viewer, where are you watching from? Where are you seeing this video from? Lighten up, take me. Then another secret to making a very good tasty Zobo is to use your flavors. The flavors we use to bake. Yes, I know most of you don't know that you can use those flavors to make your Zobo drink. So you use your
pineapple flavor. Some people use vanilla, some people use strawberry. A lot of them you can use those fruity variants, yes, even banana flavor, you can use them. Then I mentioned that most persons their zobo changes color after mixing it. This is the reason why. You see those powdered flavors that you add into your zobo, you mix them directly into the zobo drink. It's not supposed to be like that. Watch the video where I put those sachet flavors into a small bowl and I mixed it with zobo drink before I turned it into the big pot. If you add that flavor directly into your zobo drink, it will go and change the color. From this dark red color, it will be changing the color to something like light red or even almost pink. I don't know if you have seen any zobo or had that kind of experience before. So if you have watched this video up to this point and you're enjoying this video, please support this video by liking it, dropping a comment, and also turning on your notification bell. And then lastly, subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. You're not paying anything for it. Notice that I did not add any extra water to this zobo recipe because I want it thick and rich. If you want to add water, fine and good. I used just the pineapple juice I extracted for this zobo. Please oh, sugar is optional. Sugar is optional. If you don't want sugar, no problem. The sachet flavors will do the work too if you don't want sugar. I added just small sugar to sweeten it.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard.
These bottles I'm using here, they are new ones. They've not been used before. They are sold in the market for 100 naira, 150, 200, depending on the size. So tell me, will you be trying out this Zobo recipe this Christmas period? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching up to this point. You can check out my channel. There are other beautiful videos you're going to love. Please like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when I drop amazing videos, you will get to see it. Bye bye and see you in my next video.